Okay, let's be honest. You're watching this video because you sent an email and now you're regretting it. And in Outlook, it's really easy to recall an email. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to send this email to Johnny, and boy, I'm going to regret this. So I'm going to click send. And I immediately regret sending that email. So I'm just going to open that email again. And there are two ways you can go about doing this. You can just go up here and search. So you can go recall and click on recall this message and OK. And it's recalled. The other way you can do it is click on file and on resend or recall and recall this message. That's the same thing. Click on OK. Now this is only going to work if Johnny hasn't already read the email, right? Like if he's already read it, there's no way I can recall it. So be quick.